Introduced to us by the 1997 movie Gattaca, a very popular science fiction idea, genetic editing. While it seems like a tool far out of reach and inaccessible to us right now, genetic editing will start being used in clinics for medical purposes in the next few years. My name is Patrick Duncan, and in this video, I will discuss how genetic editing is safe, coming soon, how it will revolutionize science, and how it is not to be feared. But what is genetic editing? Genetic editing is changing the DNA of a cell so it performs new function. Cells are the stuff that make up living things. Inside a cell, there's a nucleus which contains the DNA, the instructions for what the cell does. So, how does it work? The current version of genetic editing right now is called CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR stands for clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats, and it's a guide RNA. Cas9 is an enzyme that can cut DNA. CRISPR and Cas9 work together. CRISPR guides the Cas9 where to cut the DNA of a cell, using a sample of DNA of the targeted gene. The Cas9 fuses with another enzyme, so once the cut is made, it replaces the DNA and tells the cell its new instructions. This is an amazing process and opens up a world of possibilities. One of the main things we can use this for is treating diseases like cancer. We could edit the DNA of an immune cell to enable it to recognize the cancer and to attack it. We could even supercharge the immune cell with special cancer-fighting weapons, and even to switch itself off or self-destruct once it's finished. The same process could be applied to any disease. We could always move towards a Gattaca-themed future, but hopefully ours will be brighter. We could change the DNA of the muscle cells of a person so that their weightlifting potential is doubled, or make them twice as fast as we are now. Some of the more practical applications for genetic editing is to use stem cells, the cells that are the basis for organs, bones and muscles. We could create specially designed organs specific for anybody needing them. We could bring back recently extinct species, like the western black rhinoceros, or the Tasmanian tiger, or any other extinct species that we have the DNA for. To some extent, we could have immortality, a pill that can be taken once a lifetime that extends life up to 20 years so we can finish our bucket list or say hello to a great-grandchild. Genetic editing could mean the end of world hunger. We could grow plants at increased rates. Animal meats could be grown in a lab using muscle and bone stem cells. But the food would essentially be the same. This could bring about massive positive environmental change. We could make a plant that excretes clean water from photosynthesis in large amounts without using much water itself. We could make sure there are no more genetic diseases. We could create red blood cells specific to any blood type by using artificial bone marrow. We could create an organism that literally eats trash to help heal our planet. We will only be limited by our imagination. Of course, the downsides of any new technology is the potential for abuse. Some corporations could create world-ending diseases, or immoral leaders could make super soldiers to win new wars. Genetic editing offers an amazing opportunity for humanity. And while there will need to be many ethical and moral discussions on the topic, genetic editing in itself is not something to be feared. How humanity utilizes its potential will ultimately determine our success. Thank you.